shit. Where'd they go? There they are.
That's kind of funny.
If you say so. If you say so.
I just like the spoon. I like it much better if it looked better. But
I would have thought it would have been like crazy.
me too. It's kind of funny when it whips you around because you're like out of control and then you're stopped. Oh, well, that was good. Oh. Are you seeing white clear thing? Oh, I know where I'm seeing it.
Oh, like a kaleidoscope with all one color?
Yep.
I get that all the time. I've had that for years. It's called a migraine headache, but there's no pain. It's
And
just
it's all these clear
clear. Yeah. Yeah.
things running everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I call it a the kaleidoscope you look through with all the
Yes.
colors.
That's
But
what
you
I'm
picture all the
having right
glass in there
now.
is white glass.
Yes, that's it.
Yeah. Thank
Some
you.
of them are attaching to each other, which
Yeah,
is
it's
freaking me out.
Jack has them too. It's called a migraine headache.
What do you do?
Nothing. Just it'll go away. Takes time. Oh God, she's gonna try to pull him up the hill. Good luck.
Lordy. 30 versus 60 and 70.
I don't think I ever would have tried to pull a child up the hill at any age.
We carried ours up at 2 over and over and over again.
I don't remember that.
Yep. It was in 96.